Morning, children. Today we are going to see about the third standard English second term. This lesson already I have taken this lesson about the raincoat. Now we are going to see about the meanings, opposite tenses and plurals. Okay, now I'll write the meanings in the board, children, because you are not having the meanings in your book. So just take your class or any notebook, children. You can note it down in your notebook. And exams are going to start, as you already message might have come in your phone. So pay the fees and get the books, children, second term books. And now we are going to see about the meanings. So in this lesson, meanings, it's not in your book. So take a note and write, children. Once again I am telling. So in this meanings is, first one, sunny. What do you mean by sunny? That is much sunlight. Sunny, much sunlight. வெளிச்சம் அதிகமாக sunlight அதிகமாக இருக்கிறது. ஓகே. Then true, உண்மை சொல்லுவோம் இல்லையா, true, that is real. Wish, wishனா உங்களுடைய ஆசை நிறைவேறதுக்கான ஆசை, wish. Hope for something, hope for something happen. ஸோ நீங்கள் நினச்சது நடக்கணும் இல்லையா, hope for something happen. Then picnic. What do you mean by the picnic? Picnic na சாப்பாடெல்லாம் பேக் பண்ணிவிட்டு you will go for the outdoor. So that is packed meal. Eaten outdoor. Packed meal eaten outdoor. Then bang. What do you mean by the bang? A very loud noise. Bang means very loud noise. Okay, so these are the 5 meanings. So note it down. So first one is sunny, that is much sunlight. True, real. Wish, hope for something happen. Then picnic, packed meal eaten outdoor. Bang, a very loud noise. Okay, now the next one is opposites. Second one, opposite. Before, after. Before, after. Bright, that is dull. Then high, and this is low. Then stop. Then white and black. So these are the opposites. So learn this. All these things is not in your book, so I am writing. So just take it, children. Learn this and take it down and write down in your notebook. Now we are going to see the tenses. Third Roman letter is tenses. What are the tenses? Where, wore, ask, asked. Third one, think, thought, come, came. Sing, sang. So these are the 5 tenses. Okay, and now the next one is plurals. So fourth one is plural. So in English you will be having the meanings, opposite tenses, plurals, everything. Okay, so parent, parents. Then cloud, clouds. Raincoat, raincoats. From the lesson only I gave everything. Wish, vicious. day, days. So 5 only again. So learn all this. And the next one, we will move on to the answer the following. So question you are given in your book from the first lesson. Those who got your book, take a page number 69. So in this page number 69, we are given the circle the correct word. Cap, coat, cloudy, sunny, hot and cool. So here they are given the coat, so you tick the coat. And cloudy is there, sunny is there. So you can tick a cloudy. And hot, cool. You can click a hot. The next one is match the following in your book they are given. Page number 69. Match the following. Match the following. So in this match the following, they are given A, Sunday, and B, Wednesday, and C, Saturday. So 3 only they are given. So here they are given the first one is rain, and second one they are given clear sky, and third one they are given hot. So for Sunday it is clear sky, you can put A, and for Wednesday it is hot, and Saturday it is rain. Okay, so like this you can write. Now third one is listen, think and write. So can you understand children this one? Match the following, page number 69. And then now we'll move on to the next one. Listen, think and write. Answer the following. Answer the following. So in this answer the following, what did Nalan get from his parents? First one is, what did Nalan get from his parents? What did Nalan get from his parents? Nalan. So answer is, Nalan got red coat from his parents. Nalan got red coat from his parents. Yes. Okay. Now, how was the sun on Monday? How was the sun on Monday? So how was the sun on Monday? So all the 7 days he has been waiting for the rain to come for wearing the coat. So how was the sun on Monday? The sun was bright and sunny. The sun was bright and sunny. On Monday. Okay, now everything is in a book. Questions. So, where did Nalan go on Thursday? Where did Nalan go on Thursday? Where did he went? Answer is, Nalan went on a picnic. Went on a picnic on Thursday. So everything is the question itself, the answer is there. So easily you can learn, children. Now the fourth one. How did the Saturday begin? How did the Saturday begin? This is the Saturday. Answer is the Saturday begin with a bang. The Saturday begin with a bang. Dadum, dadum, dadum. This you can write or okay, the Saturday begin with a bang, that is dadum, dadum, dadum. Okay. Now the fifth one. What is asking? Do you enjoy the rain? Do you enjoy the rain? Enjoy the rain. Why? Yes, answer is yes, I enjoy the rain. Enjoy the rain. Why? Because I like to play. I like to play in the rain. Okay, so these are the 5 questions you have to learn this, children, in this lesson. So learn all this. And in your book they are given some of the exercises. So 5 question answer is there. What did Nalan get from his parents? Nalan got red coat from his parents. How was the sun on Monday? The sun was bright and sunny on Monday. And where did Nalan go on Thursday? Nalan went on a picnic on Thursday. How did the Saturday begin? The Saturday begins with a bang. Dadum, dadum, dadum. Okay, do you enjoy the rain? Why? Yes, I enjoyed the rain because I like to play in the rain. So everybody, each and every children likes to play in the rain. Okay, then take the page number 70. They are given the some of the pictures. Fill in the blanks with the picture related to the season. So that is rainy, cloudy and sunny. Okay, children, so this is the question answers and meanings, opposite tenses, plurals and question answers I gave. And one poem is also there. I told you the welcoming the spring, out of the cave, out of the hole came the rabbit and the foal, hatched from egg in the nest, the birds to join the feast, the leaves green and flowers swing, do you know that it is spring? So, this is the question answers. And I mean, this is the poem fully. You have to learn fully. The bugs are back and little spiders in black. Bears, rabbits and bees. Near flowers, grass and trees. Just like me they hum. That spring has come. So the poem also I have written on the board. So learn the how many lines? 6 lines is there. First paragraph 6 lines. And second paragraph 6 lines. So all the lines you can learn. And rhyming words also we have written in this. Okay. Okay, children, now you learn this. Now we'll see the poem. Out of the cave, out of the hole. And next one is everything. Look at the picture and write the sutra. Learn the poems. So next the poem, that is Welcoming Spring. Let us sing. Page number 66. Welcoming Spring. So you have to memorize this poem. Welcoming Spring is the memory poem. You have to memorize this one. Okay. So out of the cave, first 6 lines is out of the cave, out of the hole. Okay, say children, out of the cave, out of the hole. Easily the rhyming words are coming. So learn with the spelling and comma, full stop, whatever they are given. Came the rabbit and the foal. Came the rabbit and the foal. Okay. That is your full stop. And then hatch from eggs in the nest. Hatch from eggs in the nest. Hatch from eggs in the nest. The birds to join the feast. The birds to join the feast. Then the leaves green and flowers swing. The leaves green. The leaves green and the flowers swing. Flowers swing. Do you know that it is spring? Do you know that it is spring? Okay. So first 6 lines is this. This is the memory poem, page number 66. Welcoming Spring. Out of the cave, out of the hole, came the rabbit and the foal. F-O-A-L, this is foal. Foal means the baby horse. Hatch from eggs in the nest, the birds to join the feast. So the eggs alla hatch avudana, kuttila and the egg land veliye varudhu. The birds to join the feast. The birds are also enjoying the spring season. The leaves green and the flowers swing. Even the leaves are also, new leaves are coming there and the flowers are also blooming. That is, the flowers also swing. Do you know that it is spring? So, idella fresh avumbodhu that this is a spring season. So, this is the first 6 lines. And the next 6 lines also I will write. That also you have to memorize, children. The bugs are back. Same thing only. The bugs are back. The bugs are back. And little spiders in black. And little spiders in black. Put the commas, everything I said. Little spiders in black. Then bears, rabbits and bees. Bears, rabbits and bees. Near flowers, grass and trees. Near flowers, grass and trees. Just like me they hum. Just like me they hum. That spring has come. That spring has come. So, this is the poem of the next 6 lines. The bugs are back and little spiders in black. Bears, rabbits and bees. Near flowers, grass and trees. Just like me they hum. That spring has come. So, first 6 lines and next 6 lines. So, all the 12 lines is the memory poem. You have to memorize everything, and rhyming words also I gave. All the rhyming words. So, that also you have to learn. So, rhyming words is Already I written, anyhow I'll write once more. Hole, that is fall. Then nest and fest. Then swing, spring. Back, black. Bees and trees. And hum and come. So this rhyming words also you have to learn along with the meanings, opposite tenses, plurals and poem. Okay children. So we will see in the next class. Thank you.